I want justice for my daughter. Mother of slain 9-year-old speaks as she lays her child to rest. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kelisha Williams. Also this evening, motorists seeking a court date to clear outstanding tickets may have to wait longer. And vendors in Manchester lament reduced sales for Aki. There's also a Saturday sports special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.